Hi, so I'm sitting here next to the Ajuga, which is also known as bugleweed. We planted it last year. It was this little clump like this, and it spread, and it can definitely spread and overtake your lawn and things. But it's really pretty, and it has beautiful purple flower stalks, and mine have already wilted, so I need to deadhead them. And this is how you do it. So it started out as a little clump right here, and this is all growth from this growing season. You can see even this little clump right here has passed the border of the flower bed on this little vine, and if I want to, I can separate it, and that is its own plant. And I can, if I dug it up correctly with a shovel, I can pull out the roots and then transplant it somewhere else, and it will grow. Same thing here. I can take all these out and transplant them if I want to. The leaves of the Ajuga are really pretty. They're like variegated, at least this variety. Purples and greens and whites. Kind of look like lettuce. And these two, this and this, are the spent flower stalks. You can see where the flowers were blooming before. They're just little fuzzy seed pods now. And if you look at the stem, you can see that it is square, which is a sign that is part of the mint family. If you follow that stem all the way down, it connects to where it vines in different directions. So what I'm going to do is just cut above this leaf or pinch. And that way it leaves a leaf and it kind of blends in. Or you can just go down as far as you want, actually, and just remove it. And it's like it was never there. And this is what you're left with. Do the same thing with this stem. Follow it down either to the leaves there or below that to the leaves there. And it's done. When you cut off the spent blooms, it encourages it to bloom again. Here's another spent bloom. Here's one that's a little more yellow. Probably started flowering before those ones. And the sooner you do this, the more chance you have that it will come back. And just after a couple minutes of work, I've removed the spent flower stalks, and the plant looks rejuvenated. You can fertilize your Ajuga with a slow-release fertilizer in the beginning of the growing season, but that's pretty much all it needs. Looks like there's some kind of bugs on here. We've been having rainstorms, so it could just be mud. So I'll probably spray it with some neem oil. Ajuga likes full sun to part shade, so I think I have a perfect spot for this little clump. I'm thinking maybe if I plant it right there, it'll spread around this area. Or maybe right there. Just going to scoot away the mulch. There. Free plant.